What does that spell?
Spells my name.
What is your name?
M-I-C-H-A-U-L.
And what does that spell?
This is like M-I-N-C-H-A-U-L.
Can you show me the board? And it spells Michael. What's your name?
M-I-C-H-A-U-L.
Is your name Michael?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I was looking for.
And I want a cart in this little phone.
Okay, sounds good.